my name is Lillian Santibáñez with Revilius Photography and Design. I am here today to show you my final product. To start off with, I have this poster which consists of a picture that I found on Google, and I thought that had the best background for what I wanted to make. Now, to give it a color pop, what I decided to do was pretty much grab the color that the coffee cup has and place that in the back so that it could give it more of a balanced look. And I did find the coffee picture also over in Google, which that gave me the opportunity to place in the where the coffee lives or where coffee lives quote along with the welcome home tagline that they always use. Let's see, now for my second, what I wanted to do was just have a little bit of a more simple text. So I did want to go ahead and write something a little bit more creative, and of course I wrote something that, it's amazing, or in my favorite part, it pretty much is very creative, and that is make coffee great again, which, as we know, that is, of course, our president's tagline, make America great again, if you get me. Now, for my second poster, what I wanted to do in this was a billboard. For this billboard, what I did was take a picture, take this coffee beans, and pretty much spread this along the billboard. I did put in the "Be Happy, Drink Coffee" quote because I thought that that would be something that a lot of people would actually be attracted towards. Now I did place in the logo in the left just so that it could give it a bit more of an accurate information, and of course in the bottom I went ahead and placed in the information box. Something that I also did was use the Bill Empty font, and I decided to bevel and emboss the font in this. The next project that I did, or the next product, I did go ahead and make in shirt designs. And now for the first one, I wanted to give it a more simple look. So I just went ahead and placed in the logo that I had made on the top along with the welcome home tagline in the bottom. This would be something that employees could use. If not, of course, it would be something that you could go ahead and sell for a lesser price. And of course, it's very wearable. It's something that a lot of people would actually really like to wear. For the second one, I wanted to be a little bit more creative again. So what I decided to do was to place in the welcome earthlings with the logo in the middle, go ahead and give it a art type on the top, and in light blue in the bottom. Of course, the Angelitas cups color, that would have actually formed a gradient in my opinion. So that was really cool. That was something that I really liked to do. For the logo, why I really like this logo is because it is very simple, but at the same time it does spread the message. It has a sun in the back along with the coffee in the front, just to represent, of course, the golden hour or just the morning coffee dream. And in the bottom, I decided to spread out the words Angelita and Casa de Café just so that you could actually see what was happening with this one logo. I did decide to pinch in the two sides so that it could look a little bit more like a ribbon. And now for my envelope, I just decided to place in the information in the left, just make it a little bit smaller, And in the middle, I just wanted to go ahead and place in the of course address, or the return address, I'm sorry. So let's see. Now for your business cards, what I decided to do was use a picture of coffee beans that I had found. This one does also go along with one of your websites. And what I really like about this is the fact that it gives it more of a character. It pretty much does show exactly what the business is about, of course, by using coffee, different types of coffee, and it just wraps it up with that border in the back. I did decide to use the orange and the blue letterings just so that it could match up with the logo as well. Now for your other project, for your other product, I'm so sorry, this would have been the letterhead. See, so for your letterhead, what I decided to do in here was just give it a little bit more of a better presentation. I did decide to use the same picture that I used for the billboard, of course, as you saw